Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Abdul Rehman Gilani, and I'm a technology risk professional based in Melbourne. I wanted to give you a little nudge to motivate you for upskilling yourself. I believe everybody should have an ambition to grow. What it takes is not just certifications or specialist courses or a 4-year degree, but requires a keen interest in learning and a stern ambition most of all. You see, enterprises all around the world are under siege from rising volumes of cyber attacks. The methodologies and attack vectors keep changing, and on the other hand, according to experts, 1 out of 3 security professionals are not familiar with advanced persistent threats. At the same time, the global demand for skilled professionals sharply outpaces supply. So, the corporate world's view is that unless this gap is closed, organizations will continue to face major risks. Therefore, comprehensive educational and networking resources are required to meet the needs of everyone from entry-level practitioners to seasoned professionals. This is the information age, and knowledge is the currency. Increase your knowledge and let it guide you to your goals. So, dream big and upskill.